In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. Now, just guys, remember, if you're new or you do not know the Internet Explorer and the difference between Microsoft Edge, here is the Internet Explorer. Actually, Microsoft Windows latest versions still shows both option. Here's a sign for Internet Explorer, and this is Microsoft Edge. This is the latest one. So make sure to see the settings here, because the settings are not the same for Internet Explorer. This is for the Microsoft Edge, which is the latest browser in Microsoft Windows, especially in Windows 11. So we click on that. We click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and click on the settings. And from here, we click on privacy, search and services. And from here, we click on password and autofill and click on the Microsoft Password Manager. And ask to save the passwords, you can disable this option so that it won't show this dialog box every time to save the password. It might be quite disturbing for some people. Click on the more settings, and you can make all the other settings as well to prevent and better manage the password. Okay, let's go back under the main section, which is password and refill, autofill. Click on password, and here is the password saved. Let's say for Netflix. We click on this, and it will obviously ask you for the confirmation with the passkey or the password. And here is all the passwords which you have saved on Microsoft Edge. If we want to delete any one of them, we click on the delete, click delete from here. And that is how we basically do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.